Okay, so we're going to read our second CVC story. If you look up here at the picture, I see a boy that looks like he's dressed like a pirate, and he appears to be holding some paper. I don't know what that might be, but I look back over here and I see a box or a chest or something. Okay, so maybe the story is about this boy. So I'm going to go down here and look at the first word. Starts with the capital S. And let's see, it says Sam. 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 Sam has a map. Oh, Sam has a map. He looks for a box of a box of gold. I'm going to read that again. He looks for a box of gold. And can you see it? Can you see it? Do you see the box of gold? All right, well, let's look at the questions over here. We just read a story about Sam. This says Sam has a, what does Sam have? Does he have a map, or does he have a mop? Which one does Sam have? And then look down here at the bottom. He looks for a, what did he look for? Dog. Box. What did he look for? Think about that. All right, practice reading the story. Have fun.